di naman po niya sinasagot, I will just continue with my line of questioning para lang po may pasok sa record po. Alam naman po natin lahat na kayo po ay naging alkalde ng Davao. Of course, nung time na yun, meron din po kayong item for confidential fund under the office of the mayor. Tama po ba?
Point of order, Madam Chair.
Yes, Honorable Gloria.
What we are discussing is the OVP budget, not a budget of the local government of Davao of many years ago. And while I have the microphone, I just want to make a manifestation that, Your Honor, you said that allocation includes utilization. If that were the case, everybody would be examining everybody's 2023, 2022, 2021 budget. And Madam Chair, I have been attending so many budget hearings. Nobody ever discusses something earlier than 2024.
Madam Chair, if I may, Madam Chair, I will not ask naman the confidential budget of the city of Davao.
Yes, I was about to say that.
Yeah.
Yes, your point of order is well taken, ma'am. We will not discuss the budget of...
Yes, I will not, hindi ko po tatanungin po yun. Ang point ko lang po dito ay as Mayor of Davao, dahil alam naman po natin, medyo matagal po siyang naging alkalde, hindi po sa kanya bago itong confidential fund. And in fact, ito po ay kumbaga normal na po dahil lahat naman po ng alkalde meron naman pong confidential fund eh. Now, susunod ko pong tanong, Madam Chair, is napansin ko po dito sa liquidation report dated January 10, 2023. Meron po ditong nakapirma sa taas po ng Sara Z. Duterte, Vice President. Gusto ko pong tanungin ng ating Vice Presidente kung ito po ba ay kanyang pirma. Sa liquidation report po ng January 10, 2023, serial number 2022-12-152.
Madam Vice President.
Madam Chair, on the issue of confidential funds, we have received audit actions regarding the confidential funds of the Office of the Vice President. We have submitted our responses and we assure our full cooperation with the ongoing audit. Madam Chair, again, sinasabi ko na walang confidential funds sa 2025 budget proposal and all the questions are about confidential funds except for one which was about the recipient of OVP projects.
Honorable Zua, please proceed.
Well, totoo po yung sinasabi po ng ating Vice Presidente. Subalit, ngayon lamang po natin nakita to. At ngayon lamang po natin nakita kung ano po yung laman ng o kung paano po niya nagamit yung confidential fund. Kaya kung dati po, hindi naman natin siya matatanong dahil wala rin po tayong opportunity, dahil wala rin po tayong hawak ng mga dokumento. But it is only now, Madam Chair. Kaya nga po, tinatanong po natin para at least malaman din po natin at saka konektado rin po to dahil at the end of the day, dito po natin makikita kung paano po siya gumamit ng pondo na binibigay po sa kanyang opisina. May I proceed now, Madam
Please
Chair?
proceed.